Hello and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. And today we're going to be talking about a Spanish/English bilingual call center sales consultant that pays $15 an hour. So British Swim School in New Jersey is hiring a remote Spanish/English bilingual call center sales consultant. Are you looking to make a positive change in your life and work for a company with a true purpose? One that is doing good in the world? Help us on a mission to save lives and join us as a call center sales consultant remote. We are a Part Nation premier swim school franchise and we're dedicated to the survival of the litterers. This is the perfect position for stay-at-home moms, veterans, persons with disabilities, retirees, seniors, or seasoned workers looking to use their clerical skills, work ethic, and attention to detail for a good cause while earning extra income. If you fit this profile, we highly encourage you to apply. So it is remote. You'll be answering incoming calls, chats, and emails and sell swim school memberships over the phone. Only by doing so, you help us fulfill our mission of keeping children safe. We provide qualified leads, so no cold calling. So you won't have to be cold calling anybody. They literally provide you with the leads and all you have to do is talk to them. Calls are predominantly inbound by interest parents answering our ads. So these are people that are already warm. They already have exposure to the ads and already been qualified. Only leads who request a call back or leave a voicemail are the ones that you be contacting or being in touch with. So the requirements for this one is strong sales drives with an attitude of closing and resolving objections, ideally having received consultant sales training before, ability to communicate in English along with Spanish or Portuguese as a second language, written and spoken, a result-driven personality, ability to work on weekends from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., lots of energy and positive attitude with an upbeat personality, a clear and friendly telephone voice, being computer and internet savvy, knowledge of Google Drive and Google Sheets highly recommended, comfortable at working in a fast-paced environment, able to learn our in-house systems, which is Jackrabbit and Freshdesk, keen eye to detail, comfortable with basic math, just calculating students' prorated tuition based on our tuition tables, high-speed, reliable internet connection, reliable work computer, whether it's a laptop or desktop with sound and video capabilities for video conferencing, a high school degree or higher will be preferable, and at least 1 year of experience working remotely and at least 3 years experience working in sales. So the schedule will be from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. They vary from 30 to 40 hours per week, 4 to 5 shifts. One shift must be weekend, combination of weekdays and weekends. So 3 or 4 days a week. Weekdays, amplitude 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., open to public 10 to 6, and weekend amplitude from 9 to 3, open to public 10 to 2. So they just want you to be 1 hour early. All shifts vary within those hours, and which include weekend a day. It pays $15 an hour. There's a monthly performance bonus based on personal goal achievement. It's fully remote. You get paid time off. You get paid birthday off. Hey. Deep discounts for swim lessons for employee and immediate family members within our franchise. $300 a year towards education, structured paid training, so you get that paid training as well, free employee assistance program for professional support with mental, financial, and other challenge, and a dynamic and rewarding mission-based corporate. So if this sounds like you will be the right person for this, definitely apply. I'll have the links right below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new remote from work opportunity just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.